Hi, so today is my QNA vlog part 1. Here are all of your questions. So the first one is, are you Indian? No, I am not. So the next one is, how you get more and more subscribers, viewers, likes. Explain with us, buddy, please. So for me, there is no specific reason behind it. So the honest answer is, I don't know. So here is the most common question from you all, that where I am from. So I want to keep it secret right now. By the way, I give you a hint guys that I am from Asia. So the next question is, how old are you and what's your name? Also, can you make my water? So I'm going to be 15 in this year and my real name is. Of course, I will try to do your water soon. The next one is, may I know the name of your country? I have already said that I am from Asia. So the next one is, what's your age? 15 soon. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is light green, pink and grey. Who is your favorite YouTuber? My favorite YouTuber is Liana 277 and with love, Sarah. I am your big fan from India. Thank you so much. The next one is, you are Korean, right? LOL. No, I'm not Korean, but I can write some of Korean alphabets, so yeah. The next one is, which country you belong and are you Muslim? I have already answered of the same questions, I guess. The next question is again, which country do you from? And I am from Bangladesh. So I have already said that I am from Asia. So the next one is, are you Korean by any chance? So I am not Korean even by any chance. So the next one is, do you use real species? So yeah, sometimes I use the real one and sometimes I used to make it at home. So here are my some of questions that you asked me, and I tried to reply all of your questions, by the way.